have my scissors right here, and I'm gonna cut this credit card up. Hey successful, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I have a very, I don't know how to feel about this video, but I am no longer using credit cards, and I haven't been for the past 2 to 3 weeks now. I just have to move all of my automatic payments over to my debit card, and honestly it feels crazy, but this is my reality. Now, before you go into my comments, I understand the benefits of credit cards. I understand cashback. I have actually made a lot from cashback. I have recommended it before, but this is more about a mindset change for me, because I end up spending a lot of money when I'm thinking about how much buying power I have through credit versus how much cash I'm ready to spend in that moment. And if you will be honest with me real quick, let's have an honest moment, right? Whenever we want to purchase something that we actually can't afford, right? We're thinking, or this is if you are in the thought process. I'm not saying that you are always, if you're watching this, you have to be thinking this way. I'm saying that if you happen to be a person who think this way, right? You happen to be in the thought process of, okay, I can definitely afford this. I will definitely pay this in less than a month. It's totally fine. Let me just purchase it. But the thing is, when we buy things with cash, we actually think, can I afford this right now? Can I deal with the pain of cash leaving my account right now? And will I be okay with it? And I think those are better questions to ask yourself when you're shopping, when you're buying something that's a necessity and you don't necessarily absolutely need it. And I get you, because when you get to Ross, y'all, my favorite store is Ross. When I go to Ross, I love Ross, okay? If you didn't know, now you know. If I go to Ross, if I see something that I absolutely must have, I get you. I'm there with you. Like, we're in this together, okay? I will see, like, this shirt is from Ross, my pants are from Ross. Like, I love Ross, okay? If I see something and I'm like, oh my gosh, I absolutely need this, I actually mean that I need this. I mean that I need this in my closet. Like, I don't have anything like this in my closet, and it needs to be in my closet, like, right now. But the reality is, what is necessity? Does it actually need to be in your closet? Or is it just missing from your closet and you'll be fine without it? That's really the difference, because it can really be missing from your closet, but you don't absolutely need it right in this moment. And I literally saw this shift when I stopped using my credit card. Y'all, it's only been 3 weeks, but I already see the changes. Like, I'm not like so quick to buy something because I'm not using my credit card. Because whatever, something happens in your brain when you use a credit card and you're like, well, this cash is not leaving my account, I can always pay it off later. So you almost feel like you're not using your own money, and it's actually true, you're not using your own money in that moment. But the thing is, if you're not trying to pay interest like I am, you will be using your money the very next month. And you might be annoyed at yourself when you have to pay your credit card bill. So, and when I say bill, I'm not saying the minimum payment, I'm saying everything on your credit card. Because something about me is I do not pay interest. So whenever I used to purchase on my credit card, I would absolutely pay off the whole entire payment if I could, okay? And the thing is, what I would run into is me being super annoyed at myself for having a certain amount of payment on my credit card to pay off to zero for things that I didn't absolutely need. I just absolutely need it in that moment. So I get you. Like, I'm right there with you. So today, I'm actually going to be cutting my credit card, which me cutting my credit card means that I can't actually use it and swipe it in real situations. Now, I'm going to be really frank and honest with you guys. I'm gonna not close my credit card account because I just feel like I'm not ready for that, to be honest. I'm not really making any I haven't made any purchases on my credit card for 3 weeks for sure, except for automatic payments that I need to transfer over. However, I'm gonna not close it because, yeah, I just don't think I'm ready for that. I think I am ready though to cut my credit card itself. So with that said, here is my credit card, you guys. I have the Chase Preferred credit card, and actually, fun story. I lied. It's not the Preferred. It's a Freedom Unlimited credit card with like the green outline around it. Fun story. I used to have like a dream credit card, which just sounds so funny to me now because I'm like, because of God, I've been convicted to step away from credit cards. We thank God for changing our revelation and our mind and our thought processes. We thank God. But I used to have a dream credit card, which was the Chase Reserved credit card. That's what it's called. The Chase Reserved credit card. Yeah. So there's the Preferred and there's the Reserve. And I used to always say, whenever my credit score gets high, I'm gonna get the Chase Reserve credit card, because I travel a lot and it's really great travel card. You do pay for it yearly, but it's totally worth it with all the cashback rewards that you get and all the perks and stuff. And it's funny because I have a Chase account. I have a Chase, like I'm a Chase person. I have a Chase debit card, I have a Chase credit card, and all that. I have a Chase savings account. And Chase is literally lately always advertising the Chase Reserve to me because like I have amazing credit and I've been with Chase for a minute now. So they're like, hey, user Chase Reserve, you're 100% approved, just click the link. And I'm like, no. So it's just crazy like how my mind has changed. It's not that I think credit cards are evil or like they're bad. I actually think they are useful. I still do think they're very useful. I think that for someone who is responsible, it works out. You get great benefits and everything like that. For me right now, the reason why I'm being so harsh and like so I don't know what the word is, like just so stern about me stopping using credit card use is because I have noticed my the way I act when I use a credit card is not the same that I act when I use a cash or a debit card. And that way is I'm not looking at the money as my own, and I feel like that gets dangerous when you are a manager of God's finances. Like everything that I have, I actually don't own, God owns, and I manage. So as soon as I'm looking to a credit card to make a purchase, I feel like now I do. I feel like I'm cheating God because I'm not going to him to get something approved because I don't feel like it's gonna hurt me in that moment. And I really want you to like, just self-reflect and comment down below, because I know I'm not the only person coming to this realization of when you spend on your credit card, you are not really thinking that this is my money and it's coming out of my account. You're just thinking that, oh yeah, I'll pay this money off later. You're just not, I was just not thinking, oh yeah, I'm using my money and it's going in from my account, even though that's legit what was happening. Because like I said, I don't like this payoff. I don't like to pay interest, and I would never pay interest. So I literally always make all of my payment and wipe my credit card to zero every month. And I just wasn't thinking that like I'm actually spending cash because I'm going to be spending this cash to get all these expenses off of my credit card at the end of this month, right? So I think God is really trying to change my mindset about money and look at him more as my provider in all aspects of the matter, and to understand that I can actually pay things with cash. And there is nothing wrong with that. That is the way that he wants me to operate, at least for me personally. I don't want to project this on anyone, but I do think that this is an important principle to learn as we're growing, and that is that the money that we have is actually God's money, and we have been entrusted with those finances. So going out and trusting banks and other resources to make our payments for us can, and I'm not saying it does or it always will, but can get you in that mindset of always trusting external sources that are not God. And I feel like that's where I was, like, to be very honest. But I really like to be real because I just think it helps people who are maybe in the journey. At least one person. I know at least one person gets what I'm saying right now, and this will move them in the name of Jesus, because God will not have me posting this for no reason. But yeah, I think it's important to recognize that, hey, the things that I have, the resources that I have are given to me by God, and it's up to me to trust God with my finances and to act accordingly, right? So that's really what this is, you guys. That's what this is for me. So yeah, this is my credit card. Like I said, it's the Freedom Unlimited one. And you guys, this credit card, let me cover my stuff before y'all steal from me. This credit card is literally worn out. I've had it for years. This is like, I've always like wanted to only like keep one credit card and not lose it and wait until the expiration date. This actually expires in 2026, so it was about time I get a new one, because like this credit card looks like worn out. You guys, look at that. It's just time to go. But it's fine, because I'm about to cut it up. And it's about to be over for this credit card. So yeah, I have my scissors right here, and I'm gonna cut this credit card up. So like, y'all keep me accountable in the comments. But yeah, I'm feeling like I don't want to cut this card up, because like that would really be it. Like when I go to Ross, I have to spend the money that I budgeted for real, not for fake. And that's a bit scary to me, but I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So here we go. I'm cutting the card up. I'm just gonna start cutting. Okay. I cut it up. Even if I wanted to use it now, I can't. Like, it's over. I cut the card up. Oh my gosh! I didn't know. Okay. The card is cut, so let's do a thumbnail. Got this right here. Oh my gosh, this feels crazy, you guys. But the card is actually cut. I can't use it anymore. For sure now. I'm just gonna, okay, can't do it twice at a time. Just gonna do that, and we're gonna do another one right there. There we go. I can, oh, okay, I lost the piece, whatever, that's fine. I can no longer use this credit card because it's cut up now. This is, y'all, this is wild. This is wild. I just want to say, honestly, if you don't know Jesus Christ, get to know him, because he's the only person that has gotten me to make life decisions that are altering and actually good for me. To be honest, like, I have amazing mentors, I have leaders, I have parents, I have sisters, I have great people, but I'm teachable, I am, but I think when I make my mind up, sometimes it's hard to change it, to be honest. But Jesus Christ, he will convict you to your core, and you will just have to do it. Like, you will just have to do it. And I'm so excited for this journey. What's going on? I'm so excited for this journey, because I know that God has never let me down anything that was in vain ever in my life, and I can trust in his love for me, and I'm excited for what's to come. I'm honestly a little bit shook that like my card is cut up and it keeps falling off, but like the card is legit done. It's done. We're done. Like, this is a card. I can't use that. You can't swipe that. You can't put the chip in. You can't do none of that. It's done. It's gone. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a big like. If you didn't enjoy it, let me know why in the comments, and you know what you want instead. Let me know your comments. What is your journey with credit? What do you think about this? Am I crazy? I can't be crazy, I'm a child of God, but it's just out of the ordinary. Will you be doing this? I don't know, y'all. Let me know in the comments. I want to chat with you. I want to get to know you. And if you like my ambiance, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Same name, Daniela Gunu. I post more like fashion content on there. My personality on there as well. And just random stuff, honestly. So if you want to get to know me more, follow me on Instagram. I'd love to have you. DM me, let me know you're from YouTube. And I'm definitely going to talk with you, because I love my YouTubers. And what else? Yeah, that's it. And also I have a store. You can check it out in the description box down below, where I sell prayer cards and pretty soon some amazing boots. I just announced that. Yeah, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Remember, You are successful. Yes. Even now, baby. Bye.